Hey there, I wanted to give you a peek at that bottle cap pour now that it's dry. I think it turned out pretty decent. Let me get up close here. So when I did the balloon smash, this area right here, if you recall from the video, was all just one color. And so I took the balloon and put it down in these areas to make it look more like leaves. And then if you recall, when I put the color dots down and then used the balloon to press down, it created these flowers, and some of them are really pretty. Like that little blob right there, I'm not sure what that is, but this one right here is cool. Some of them kind of have a 3D effect. And this is a good example of where I took that little stick and drew some lines through it to kind of give it some detail. These two, this one right here, that was just the balloon. That's how it came out. And this one I played with a little bit. But really, most of them were just from the balloon. This one right here I played with a little bit. I really like this one. So with the combination of the bottle cap pour and the moving around and the balloon smash to get rid of some of the paint, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm really happy with it. I think it's really pretty. I like it. So anyway, there it is, dry, no glare, so you can actually see some detail. So anyway, I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.